Actually, look at that. What? I've been seeing these regular fridge magnet nails all over Reddit, so we had to try it. All right, I've got a few different magnetic polishes here, and then I just have the regular fridge magnets. And I've seen people putting them in a bag, but I'm just going to put them right under the mat. So let's try it out. All right, I've put one just sitting there normal. I'm going to stack two like this. And let's stack two diagonally. This is, of course, assuming that the pattern is the same on all of them, which, who knows? All right, so you can kind of see where they're at here. This one is Bee's Knees. Oh my God, it's doing it immediately. Bee's Knees. Welcome to the witching hour. Immediately, we've got some stripes here. So cool. Vapid Black Friday. I mean, it's definitely working. That is really cool. So, of course, this is making decals. It's not strong enough to go all the way through under your finger. Cirque Mobius. Okay, that's awesome. But what if we try it on the ones that are double that? Ooh. So that's the one where they're at an angle. And okay, that's also very cool looking. BCB lacquers. Where is my Lisa Frank notebook? Very cool. Let's do some more. See if the pattern changes around the magnets. Actually, look at that. What? This is, okay, I feel like I'm wasting this, but also, what is going on here? Let's see the pattern. Oh, that's really crazy looking. So what exactly is going on under here? That's really neat. So after you let them dry, just peel it up. Very carefully peel it off of there. And then just apply it like a decal. Very cool. I wasn't actually prepared to actually put it on, but we can pretend. I clawed some of it off of there. I did eat hot Cheetos. Thanks for noticing.